Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Mazzer Mini with us in the shop. And it came in because the grind quality that was coming out was not being able to make espresso. And yeah, so we replaced the burrs on this machine. Here are the original ones here. This is quite an old grinder, and I believe this is their first time burr swapping. And so definitely needed a new set of burrs, but we replaced some more brand new ones in there. Also cleaned out the entirety of the brew, or the grind chamber. Usually coffee builds up in there quite often, and we did get a new hopper because there's some crack during their drive over here. It is still in the mail, but I finished the grinder repairs already, and so we're just going to test the grinder. I'll turn it on. And so as you can see, the set screw to stop it from twisting, I have not set it in fully because I don't want to calibrate your grinder on your behalf. We did put it on the Espresso grind, so it's really fine right now. Of course, you can finish the calibrating at home when you have it with your espresso machine, but as of right now, it's very, very fine, pillowy espresso grind. And yeah. And besides that, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.